Welcome, dear Globetrotters, to another journey through the lens. Today we delve into the scenic beauty of Romania, a gem tucked away in Eastern Europe. Nestled between the Carpathian Mountains and the Black Sea, this country is a treasure trove of natural wonders and rich cultural heritage. From the pristine beaches of the Black Sea to the rugged peaks of the Carpathians, Romania is a country that has it all. But Romania's beauty extends far beyond its natural landscapes. It's a land where centuries-old traditions live on, and where castles and monasteries tell tales of a fascinating history. Yet, Romania remains overlooked in favor of more popular European destinations, its beauty often left undiscovered by many. It's time we shed light on this hidden gem, and reveal the true charm that lies within its borders. Buckle up as we embark on this visual journey to explore Romania's best scenic areas. First stop, Transylvania, a land that whispers tales of Dracula, but there's so much more to it. This jewel in the crown of Romania unfurls an enchanting landscape that will leave you spellbound. With the Carpathian Mountains as its backbone, Transylvania offers a view that is nothing short of a painter's dream. The mountains, with their snow-capped peaks and lush green valleys, provide a stunning contrast to the azure sky. Nestled amidst this natural splendor, you'll discover a trove of medieval castles, each with a story to tell. They stand majestically, their stone walls bearing silent testimony to a bygone era. Bran Castle, often associated with the legendary Count Dracula, is a must-visit. Its Gothic architecture and intriguing history weave a captivating narrative. But Transylvania's allure doesn't end with its mountains and castles. The region is dotted with rustic villages where time seems to have stood still. Here life moves at a leisurely pace, untouched by the hustle and bustle of modernity. You'll find locals clad in traditional attire tending to their livestock or working on their lush green fields. These villages, with their cobblestone streets and charming houses, offer a glimpse into a simpler time. Then there's the vibrant culture of Transylvania, a delightful blend of Romanian, Hungarian, and Saxon influences. The region's rich history has given birth to a unique cultural tapestry, evident in its folk music, dance, festivals, and cuisine. Sink your teeth into a traditional sarmale, or sway to the tunes of a local folk dance, and you'll feel the essence of Transylvania seeping into your soul. Transylvania is a region that embraces its past while looking towards the future, a place where tradition and progress coexist in harmony. It's a land that surprises at every turn, offering a travel experience that is as diverse as it is unforgettable. From the awe-inspiring grandeur of the Carpathians to the quaint charm of the villages, from the imposing castles to the warmth of its people, Transylvania is truly a feast for the senses. Transylvania, a place where history, culture, and nature weave a mesmerizing tapestry. Next, we journey into the heart of Romania, its bustling capital, Bucharest. The city's vibrant spirit is evident from the moment you step foot within its borders. The streets are alive with energy and the hum of conversation, punctuated by the occasional laughter of children or the distant bark of a dog. As you wander through the city, your eyes will be drawn to the stunning architectural marvels that dot the landscape. From the awe-inspiring Palace of the Parliament, one of the largest administrative buildings in the world, to the elegant curves of the Romanian Athenaeum, Bucharest is a feast for the eyes. The city is a melting pot of architectural styles, with neoclassical, Art Nouveau, and brutalist buildings standing shoulder to shoulder, each telling their own story of the city's past. But Bucharest isn't just a city of concrete and steel. The city's green spaces offer a welcome respite from the hustle and bustle of urban life. Harastrau Park, the largest park in the city, is a peaceful oasis where locals and visitors alike can enjoy a leisurely stroll, a picnic, or even a boat ride on the lake. The city's vibrant street life is another highlight. Street performers entertain passers-by with their talents, while vendors sell everything from fresh fruits and vegetables to handmade crafts. The city's culinary scene is a delight for foodies, with a plethora of restaurants and cafes serving up traditional Romanian fare and international cuisines. Bucharest is a city of contrasts where the urban landscape and the peaceful countryside coexist in harmony. The cityscape, with its towering skyscrapers and busy streets, is a stark contrast to the tranquil countryside with its rolling hills and serene landscapes. Yet, both aspects of Bucharest embody the spirit of Romania, a country that is both modern and traditional, vibrant and peaceful, urban and rural. Bucharest, a city that never sleeps yet always dreams. Our journey continues to the tranquil Danube Delta, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This serene oasis is where the mighty Danube River meets the Black Sea, forming the largest and best preserved of Europe's deltas. An amazing spectacle of nature, the delta is a labyrinth of water and land, comprised of countless lakes, channels, and islands. The Danube Delta is home to an impressive array of biodiversity. It's a veritable sanctuary, boasting over 300 bird species, from majestic pelicans to elusive kingfishers and chirpy warblers. It's not just the avian population that's impressive. The delta also hosts over 45 freshwater fish species in its numerous lakes and marshes. The landscape of the Danube Delta is a blend of different environments, each with its unique charm. Picture vast wetlands bathed in the golden light of dawn, marshes bristling with reeds and tranquil forests that seem to whisper ancient tales. The delta is also home to sandy beaches that stretch as far as the eye can see, kissed by the gentle waves of the Black Sea. The beauty of the Danube Delta is not just about its landscapes, it's also about the serenity it offers. Here, time seems to slow down, allowing you to soak in the surrounding beauty at your own pace. It's a place where you can disconnect from the hustle and bustle of daily life and reconnect with nature. Whether you're navigating the narrow channels, birdwatching, fishing, or simply enjoying the calm and quiet, the Danube Delta is a place of peace and tranquility. As we leave the labyrinth of waterways and the symphony of bird calls behind, it's easy to see why the Danube Delta is often referred to as a birdwatcher's paradise. Its unique biodiversity, combined with its serene beauty, make it a place that truly deserves to be explored and appreciated. The Danube Delta, a paradise for nature lovers and birdwatchers alike. Last but not least, we take you to the painted monasteries of Bucovina, a testament to Romania's rich spiritual heritage. Perched atop rolling hills, nestled amidst the vibrant greenery, stand the majestic painted monasteries of Bucovina. These are not just places of worship but are also extraordinary works of art. They are the canvas on which the medieval history of Romania unfurls in a riot of colors. Each monastery is a unique spectacle, adorned with vivid frescoes on the exterior walls. The frescoes, painted in the 15th and 16th centuries, have withstood the test of time, their colors still as vibrant as when they were first applied. The murals depict biblical scenes and saints, each one more intricate and captivating than the other. These are no ordinary paintings, they are narratives, each stroke telling a story, each color evoking an emotion. Walking around these monasteries is like stepping back in time. The walls whisper tales of faith and devotion, of battles and victories, of saints and sinners. These are not just stories of individuals or communities but are narratives of humanity itself. But the monasteries of Bucovina are not just about the frescoes. The serene surroundings provide the perfect backdrop to these stunning structures. The monasteries are enveloped by lush green landscapes, punctuated by vibrant wildflowers, and the occasional fluttering of a butterfly. The air is filled with the sweet scent of nature and the distant tolling of bells. These monasteries are not just a testament to the artistic prowess of the monks who painted them, but also bear witness to the unwavering faith of the people who built them. They stand as a testament to the resilience of the human spirit, a testament to the enduring power of faith and art. As you wander through these monasteries, you will find yourself lost in a world of tranquility and beauty. You will be touched by the devotion that is etched in every fresco, moved by the peace that envelops every corner, and inspired by the harmony that pervades everything. Bucovina's monasteries, where art, faith, and nature harmoniously coexist. Our journey through Romania's scenic landscapes concludes here, but the adventure doesn't have to end. We've traversed the enchanting realms of Transylvania, the energetic pulse of Bucharest, the serene waterways of the Danube Delta, and the timeless artistry of Bucovina's painted monasteries. Each destination a testament to Romania's rich tapestry of natural beauty and cultural heritage. But remember, these are mere glimpses of the wonders that await. There's nothing quite like experiencing these marvels firsthand, feeling the gentle breeze of the Danube, hearing the bustling city life of Bucharest, or immersing yourself in the quiet tranquility of Bucovina. So whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or a budding explorer, consider Romania for your next adventure. Which area in Europe would you like us to explore next? Drop your suggestions in the comments. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this visual feast, give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Safe travels until next time.